What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take pictures of outfits. You can use a camera or you can use your phone. I tried both and it's pretty much the exact same. So yeah, I'm not a professional, but these are just things that I think look good. My advice and tips to you if you want to take them for Instagram or just have some aesthetic pictures, whatever you're going to do with them, totally cool. So yeah, like and subscribe for more content, and without further ado, let's get started. Works. So for this first outfit that I'm going to take a picture of, I've just got some shoes, jean shorts, and a crop top, white crop top, and some blue sunglasses because, going with that white and blue theme, I thought. And I'm going to try to fold it the way the professional people fold their clothes. I don't really know, but I have some pictures pulled up on my computer to the side, so I'm just going to use it as some kind of inspiration. So I'm going to make this table a little bigger. I kind of like the background of the table. It's just kind of like regular. What am I talking about? Just like basic, Just going to make it look bigger. It's going to drop down. It's going to scare me. There we go. If you're doing pants, make sure you just tuck in all your pockets. I'm going to just like place the shoes over this. I'm like really hoping that the shoes aren't dirty. Then we got them sunglasses. You can probably just put it off to the side or on top of the shirt. So I'm going to take a few pictures like this, see how I like the layout, adjust it a little, and keep taking. Just keep straightening the clothes until it looks good. That's just kind of like my motto, take millions of pictures, only save like 3. Onto outfit number 2. It's totally cool to like fold some parts, it doesn't have to be perfectly flat. And I feel like a big part of these pictures is that it's supposed to look kind of like thrown together. You put like separate objects together. You have the top, the bottom, maybe like some shoes and a scrunchie here, sunglasses here, whatever you want to add in. It's supposed to look kind of like, oh, everything came in. It accidentally looks pretty aesthetic, so that person decided to take a picture of it. Obviously that's not what happened, but I feel like that's kind of the vibe they're going for. I thought maybe some flowers would look good. Maybe like a book, you could open it up a little and just like have some words there to make it more interesting. I'm not trying to advertise any brands. I'm just trying to show you guys how I would take pictures of outfits. Oh, also necklaces could potentially look really cool. And I think people that do it professionally, they normally would put it like right in between the straps. Kind of where a necklace would normally go. Okay, for my next outfit, I'm going to try a dress, and I'm going to be real honest here when I say I specifically chose a short dress to do this because I know my limitations, I know my table isn't big enough, but yeah, so just make sure if you're trying to make or take a picture of a larger piece of clothing, make sure you have enough space to do that. If you're trying to take these pictures, make sure all the other objects, they're evenly spaced around, because you don't want, 3 objects on one side and it ends up looking really unbalanced. So for example, I have my hat and sunglasses here, and I would not want to put my shoes over there because it would just look really awkwardly shifted to that side. So I'm going to purposely put my shoes on the other side just to create some balance. Alright guys, so it's actually the next day because the lighting in my room was starting to get bad because I was doing it around like 4-ish. So yeah, just another thing, make sure you have decent lighting, okay? It doesn't have to be perfect, you don't have to have expensive equipment. I certainly don't. I just have my room and windows, so make sure you're in a well-lit area and so that everything will just like look okay, right? And I borrowed this purse from the drawer out front. It's my mom's, but I'll put it back, Mom, don't worry. And a planner or a book. They use a lot of that. I'll take a few shots, see how it is, rearrange, switch out items. I feel like that's the whole fun of this, is really just like arranging stuff and then just like taking pictures and having fun with it, you know? Alright, and for the last and final outfit I'm doing, I just have a crop top, same jean shorts I was using in the beginning, and now I'm just going to use a $1 purple eyeshadow thing that I got like 3 years ago and pretty much like have never used since. But I think the colors go well, so we're going to just try to take a picture and mess around like always. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and process these pictures and edit them, and I'll take you guys along with me just so you can see what I do. So what I do normally is just to locate the picture however you want to do that. I'm doing this on an iPad, and obviously I just go through the pictures and save the ones I like the most. Then I just go to Google Photos. I don't use anything complicated, and I just, change. They have these preset settings that you can just use, and it's super easy. I crop it, and like that's literally it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. That's all I have for today. So bye.